to another algorithmic challenge or codewars kata challenge. So we're going to use Python today, and then we will publish another the bit.ly clone tomorrow since you guys seems pretty like it. Alright, so let's go and get started. Just gonna make it full screen. Okay. Okay. Acknowledgement, description. Encrypt this. You want to create a secret message, you can decipher this kata. Here are some conditions. Your message string contains space separated words. Your message is a string contains space separated words. You need to encrypt each word in the message using the following rule. The first letter needs to be converted into its ASCII code. The second letter needs to be switched to the last letter. Keep it simple. There's no special character input. So for example, hello, so you change H to ASCII code, which is 72. Okay, so first thing is string to character to ASCII. I'm gonna see if there's some native method by doing this. Okay. So ASCII use word. Alright. So you're gonna use word function. Looks like. The second letter need to be in the first letter. So it's basically like reverse. Okay. So we will say the following. So we will go ahead. We need to split the text first. So let's go ahead and say text equal to text dot split. So this is basically going to give us an array of text that's separated by a space. Then what we can do is we will loop through this. So for charring text, the first character will change to ASCII. So we'll say, is word a native function? I hope it is. We'll say, actually it's word. It's actually individual word. Then we'll loop through each word. So for char in word. Here's where we're going to say, get the first character. So we'll say, in range of the length of word, I will say if index. So in here we will say ASCII. Okay, first we'll say word. So check the index if index equals to 0. Then what I would do, go ahead get word 0. And now we're gonna say new word encrypted. So inc going to be sent for encrypted. And then we're gonna say inc plus equal to first. Alright. Otherwise, we'll say really, yeah, we do need a else. Whoops, my JavaScript syntax comes in. I don't even know why did I do this curly braces, stuff like that. Otherwise, we'll say we don't really need this loop since we just need to reverse it. Else, for word, so we'll say this. Okay, so word 0, yeah. So this is going to deal with the first number, and then what we will do is we will go ahead remove this character and reverse it. Reverse a string using dot reverse. So what we'll do is we'll first remove. So word word 0. Yeah. Now we'll say inc plus equal to word dot reverse. You know what? Let's just print out inc break. Let's take a look. String index out of the range. Try except return this. Test. Must be star, not int. I gotta sternify this. Oh yeah, we cannot do that. Okay, we'll just subtract that. Here's the parenthesis just in case. Stir. Can I even do this? That's just great. Remove a char from string. I'll just do these like fundamentals. I don't know. That's what I want to achieve from doing this algorithmic challenge. We'll see what that works. No, I should be reversed. Reversed. Oh, that's how it reversed. Okay. Colon, -1. Colon, -1. This time it works. At least gives no error. Okay. Okay, looks good. Looks good. So then at the end, I will append to new answer string. And then I will say answer, not plus equal to, answer plus equal to inc plus just a single space. Gonna make them a group just in case. Okay, yep, we didn't return. Gotta return answer. While doing that, should have a trailing space. Let's print answer. Also, just do some debug. Okay, 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, okay, we're gonna remove the trailing space. Remove, okay. Remove trailing space. Okay, dot strip. Let's test again. Okay, so it doesn't work. Doesn't work. Let's see. Let's start debug. Well, this doesn't pass. Okay, so this doesn't pass because it doesn't. Wait, is it? Okay. 101, right? 80, rotate. Yes, yes. Why that happens? Okay, 84, 109, yes, 104E, 115WA, 116 EH, SSE, ECOP. Okay, looks good to me. Okay, I don't know why this is not working for some reason. Okay, return a string about this. I don't think it's gonna make much changes, but why are these two not equal? Paste it here. I'm just gonna see is there anything gonna change. Okay, I don't think something actually does change. Let's take a look, because I cannot find 165, 119 ESC, 111 DL, 111 LW, 108 W. Oh, here's a problem. 5N, 97N, okay. The V didn't work correctly. Let's take a look. So 85 EH, 19 Euro. EKOP. Okay, so that means we cannot actually do this. The second letter needs to be switched with the last letter. Okay, so probably I shouldn't do this. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, it's not reverse. I misunderstood the question. So what we need to do first is to get the second letter and to get the last letter and switch them. So we just say temp equals. So we will first push the last letter in. So temp plus equal to word bracket length of the word -1. This should be the temporary array we have. List. No, I mean string. Which should get the last element. Now what we can do is we will go ahead and get all the other elements. So we'll get the elements from position number 3. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, so this is how we're going to get an element. Then what we will do is we'll get the an element. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the we'll get the element from number, so we just see what error do we get, okay? Because if I know it doesn't take that, so let's just see error we get. So we'll see for I in range, for I in, let's just say I want to start with 2 actually. Range the lines. Start with 2 word. Length plus 1. Okay, so this should give us the index number for each one. And then what I will do is temp plus equal to that work? I don't know. We'll just try this out. Plus equal to word bracket. Actually we don't need to get this. We just need to loop through that. We don't need that anyway. And now let's go and say inc plus equal to temp. Let's see. Probably we're gonna encounter some error. Okay. Okay, so for some I didn't loop it through correctly. So I'll loop through. Yeah, this is the word. Let's see. Let's So this should be the first. Okay, then what I will do is I want to start with the. Okay, wait, then you switch place, yeah. So the second element need to come to there. And then I need to plus word 2. Okay, we're just gonna say try. Except it's definitely not the most efficient way to do this. But the best way I can think of. Then I will say, I'll just say temp. I'm not sure if this work. Yeah, it's not working. 3334. What? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of these lines. Okay, so let me just print out temp just to make sure temp works. Okay. Oh, the number works fine. No. No, this should really work when it's like 2 or something. A, D, L, D, N, N, K. I don't know. Should I do? Okay, if length of the. Wait, is it get the first element instead of the second element? Does everyone get the. Okay, so I don't get the last element essentially. And then switch place. But if length for equals is less than equals 1, then what I do is we can just say pass. Actually, we don't need to do this. It's only applicable when it's 3. I don't think so. I don't think it's actually working. A, not gonna change. Y's old. I wonder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder how do you print out. Okay, so you just print out N. Okay, so all if length of word equals 2, then temp So what I will do is I will still add this to the. I don't. Why is it so hard actually? So it's not that hard. Probably just being stupid. Temporary word length word. Okay. Okay, it's so complicated. Okay, I'll do a for loop later. It's just gonna come out for loop. But what I want to do here is I want to do something like just add the word to the temporary list. Just add the word. So there's just one word. We don't need to do anything. Temp won't even declare because temp will really work because we're gonna manually add it to temp anyway. Manually add to encrypted. And then what I will say is if it's not equal to 3, it's greater than or equal to 3, then we can actually perform the process. So first is that. Then what we will say is we'll say for I in range I want to start with 2 because that's give us the third element because I will really want to start. And then toward the length of word. Third elements, yeah. Let me just print. What's gonna happen? Why? Why it's like this? Okay, I'm just gonna open a online Python interpreter again. This out. Shouldn't be that hard. Okay. Word just say equals A B C D E F G for I in word for I in range to length of the word print out I. Yeah, it works here. I don't know why it's not working here though. Oh, okay. I think I got it now. And then what I will do next is print out word bracket I. Okay, never mind. I think it should work. CFG. Okay, let's put -1 here. So I'll start with third element. Okay, let's try to run this. I just want to make sure no error happened. Alright, no error happens. Good. And now what I would say is I say temp plus equal to word bracket I. Again, it's not the most efficient way to solve this, but I'll try my best. I'm still a full-time student. Please don't be harsh on me. I know you guys probably want to do flash tutorial, but still, algorithm challenge is important. Even we all hate it. At least me, I hate it so much. It actually need you to use a brain. Okay. Anyway, so we got the word bracket I. Alright. Next, just to here. Would this work? Please tell me it works. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's see. Okay, where's my A? Should it be? Oh, I forgot to put the last element, right? So, because in here, I will still have to put the second element, which is at position number 1. Oh my god. Will this actually work? We'll see. Oh my god. It actually works. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go through what I did. Okay. Alright, so I would do something fancy. I think I say return. Print 1 if length of word equals to 1. Wow, the syntax. Okay. I'm not going to try except here because I can just return. But the way that works, so change text to list and split based on space. Create an answer stir that stores value, that stores the ultimate answer. And then through each word, I'm going to create a stir called ink. This is also a temporary variable. So get the ASCII code for first element unless it doesn't have first element. It doesn't have a first. Alright. It'll be interesting to do the next kata. Probably next kata is going to be how did I decrypt this. So add this to ink. Add ASCII to ink. Change it to string. Then what I will say is set another temp variable to the second letter. Loop through. I'm gonna loop through word from index number 2 to last till second character. Okay, gonna to temp. I'm not gonna comment out these two lines as these are really easy to understand. If length of word. It would be interesting if I want to do a video where I refactor some of my kata. So I retrain these kata. Probably don't get kata points, but I think it's worthwhile to retrain. Length of the word is 2. Then just add index number 1 temp and add temp to ink. Return answer. Whoops. Add it to answer. And then strip out trailing white space. And test it out. Oops, I don't want to test. Just gonna append, submit. Alright. Great. I have now 7 clue in Python. I'm gonna take a look at my profile really quick. Alright. Great. Alright, so that will be it for this tutorial. Okay. Didn't expect to finish it. So again, thanks for watching. If you like this, please consider subscribe and like the video and support this channel. And then yeah, so tomorrow I will be publishing a Flash tutorial. So we'll keep talking about bit.ly. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you next time.